Steamed tilapia. Ingredients: tilapia, onion, garlic, tomato, lemon, ginger, spring onion, oregano, sesame oil, salt, pepper. In a bowl, mix onion, garlic, tomato, ginger, and spring onion. Squeeze the lemon. Add pepper, salt, oregano, and sesame oil. Mix well all the ingredients. Prepare the tilapia for stuffing. Seasoned with salt, pepper, sesame oil, put on the stuffing. Wrap the tilapia with foil. Arrange tilapia on the steamer. Set the steamer for 30 minutes. Ready to serve. Bon appetit. Max subscribe the here. Like and share if you like this video. Kita kitsa susunod na video. Paalam.